Hi guys, Sam Howell here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. We're one of just 13 leisure travel vans dealers here in the United States. Of course, they're made up in Canada, but right behind me, I've got an available 2025 60th anniversary edition U24FX. So this is the flexible living space floor plan. You've got the lounge in the back, Murphy bed in the slide, and we'll get in and see that a little bit more. But the 60th anniversary package here is just beautiful. They're only doing it in the year of 2025. It's the diamond exterior here. You've got really awesome badging. There's 3 diamonds here for the 3 founders of leisure travel. And then you'll see all of the black hardware on the inside that, again, only on this anniversary package. So Dave, let's jump inside. The upholstery in here, again, specific to the anniversary package, as well as the kind of almost like a darker gray, but still white uppers. And then these black handles and sink, all of the hardware just looks really, really good. This is your leisure lounge that is electric, new for this year. So electric recliner, Murphy bed back there that they have opened it up so you've got a little natural light coming in when the Murphy bed is up. Of course, this is your slide. When it is in, you can still get back easily into the bathroom. But Dave, let's do a quick look over here. Convection microwave. This is the bathroom here that when you're inside opens up to be a little bigger. But when you're not using it and you're wanting to use the space for lounging, it closes up pretty well. So L-shaped couch back here, another TV, really 2 separate living spaces. That's what people just love about this floor plan. But give us a call here. Again, this is an available, brand new 2025. I'd love to answer some more questions. Feel free to give me a call or any of our other outfitters. Dave Roberts is filming today. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks.